HTML SSE API. Server-sent events, SSE, allow a web page to get updates from a server. Server-sent events, one-way messaging. A server-sent event is when a web page automatically gets updates from a server. This was also possible before, but the web page would have to ask if any updates were available. With server-sent events, the updates come automatically. Examples: Facebook, Twitter updates, stock price updates, news feeds, sport results, etc. Browser support. The numbers in the table specify the first browser version that fully supports server-sent events. Receive server-sent event notifications. The event source object is used to receive server-sent event notifications. Check server-sent events support. In the triad example above, there were some extra lines of code to check browser support for server-sent events. The event source object. In the examples above, we used the onMessage event to get messages. But other events are also available. OnOpen when a connection to the server is opened. OnMessage when a message is received. OnError when an error occurs. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.